Lesson 2.2, Example 2. Jake answers questions in 2 different online Olympic trivia quizzes. In each quiz, he loses points when he gives an incorrect answer. The table shows the points lost for each wrong answer in each quiz and Jake's total points lost in each quiz. In which quiz did he have more wrong answers? So for the winter quiz, it says he lost a total of 33 points. And for each incorrect answer, he lost 3 points. So to figure out the number of questions that he answered incorrectly, we're going to take the total points lost divided by the number of points he lost on each question, and that's going to tell us how many questions. So our expression here is negative 33 divided by negative 3. And we know that our rules for division are the same as multiplication. So a negative divided by a negative equals a positive, and 33 divided by 3 is 11. So for the winter quiz, he answered 11 questions incorrectly. And then for the summer quiz, he got a total of he lost a total of 56 points. And he lost 7 points for each wrong answer. So we're going to set up our expression the same way. So our expression reads negative 56 divided by negative 7. We know that the result, or the quotient, will be a positive, and 56 divided by 7 is 8. So for the summer quiz, he answered 8 questions incorrectly, and the winter quiz, 11 questions incorrectly. The question wants to know, or the question is, in which quiz did he have more wrong answers? And that would be the winter quiz.